Hello everyone, welcome to our school in Wat Pailong in the province of Nakhon Pathom. So welcome students to our English class online. I am your teacher Erin. Okay, so today we are going to sing a song. Let's sing. Okay. This is the action. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? 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 Good job. Okay. Now, another one song I would like to introduce to you. It's about ABC song. Okay? Hello. My name is Matt. My name What's is your name? My name is Erin. Nice to see you. Nice to see you too. Let's practice the ABCs. Good idea? Good idea. Let's sing the ABC song first. Slow. Okay, slowly. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job. Okay. Now I'm going to get my guitar. All right. Wow. Okay, here we go. Good. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. What's that? Faster? Yes. Faster? Yes. Okay. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Sing, sing, sing again, sing, sing, sing. I can sing, sing, sing. I can sing. A, B, C. Wow! Yay! Great job. Very good. Are you ready? Okay. So good job, kids. Wow, it's very nice. So let's review our lesson last time. Let's review. Okay. So last time we studied the add family. Okay. Add family. All right. Okay. So this time we have this one. Add bad. See this picture? Add dad. Okay. Next letter. L. Add. Lad. Wow, good job. B. B. D. D. L. L. Okay. B. Add. Bad. D. Add. Dad. L. Add. Lad. Wow. Next. Let's see this one. M. Add. Mad. Wow. P. Add. Pad. Wow, very good. Next is add sad. Okay. Now, next, let's see this one. B, D, L. Okay, and then we will add. Okay. B, add bad. D, add dad. L, add lad. Okay, good job, kids. Now let's go to the next letter. M sounds P. P. Okay, did you get it? P. Okay, let's add this one. Add. Add. Mad. Very good. P. Add. Pad. Add. Sad. Wow, good job. Okay. Now, this is your worksheet this week. Okay. So, last week, this is your worksheet last time. Okay. So, what is the answer number one? Had, sad, bad, mad, dad. Okay, I know you answered this worksheet already. Good job. Thank you, kids, for sending your work. Okay. And then, so today we will study about M family. Okay, you see this one? CVC consonant, vowel, consonants. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, the consonants are the rest letters. Okay, the other letters. CVC words, am, family. Am, family. Okay, now let's do this one. D, am, dam. You see this one? The dam. Okay, dam. J, am, jam. This is the jam. H, am, ham. Good. Next. R, am, ram. S, am, Sam. This is Sam. Y, am, yam. Okay. Now, let's do this one. What is the sound of the letter D? D. D, am, dam. Okay. J, am, jam. H, am, ham. Wow, good job. Okay. R, am, ram. S, am, Sam. Y, am, yam. Okay, you can repeat the video many times, right? Exercises. Let's do the exercises. What is this? Dam, jam, ham, ram, sam, yam. Okay, now let's do this one. You're going to match, okay, the word and the picture. For example, yam. Where is the yam here? Okay, so draw a picture or draw a line. Okay, draw a line. Yam is here. Okay. Jam, jam. Jam is there. Okay. Dam, dam. Okay, it's up to you. I'm not going to tell you the answer. Okay. Good luck, kids. Oh, this is the test. The test for you. Okay. So you're going to uh, write in your notebook your answer. For example, number 1. Yam, what is your answer? A, B, C, D, E. Okay, write in your notebook. Okay, or in your worksheet. It's okay. And then this one, trace the CVC words. Okay. And then I have this link. You can click the link for more practice. Okay. In our group chat in the line. Okay, that's all for today, kids. Thank you for listening attentively in our lesson today. See you again next time. Goodbye.